Hi folks, this is an update of what's going to be happening with InAffinity over the next couple of months or so. Broadly, I've got a ton of stuff on. I'm going to be away, guess what, taking photographs and just a bunch of things which are going to take a lot of time. For example, I live on a small holding where I try to grow as many of my own vegetables as possible, and it's just gone crazy, the things to do. I am nevertheless going to be doing videos, from time to time. Sometimes there'll be blocks where I won't be here because I'll be away. But just to say, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not closing the channel. I'm going to keep it going. Over the summer, probably more towards August time, I should be back and doing more. I got plans for loads of things. I'm going to do a lot on stacking. Edges are very interesting. That edges includes everything about blurs, about sharpening. There are loads of different ways of sharpening, and just the little details of things you can do, just all the bits and pieces in the menus and techniques. A lot to say about blend modes. Anyway, just be patient, please. Go back and watch some of the old videos if you'd like to, and I will be here. I will be coming back, but just not as regularly, because I've been doing one a day for a while, taking a heck of a lot of time, but and I've enjoyed it. So I will be back, and thank you very much for your patience, and thank you always for watching. So bye for now.